Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about what are the types of ML systems. So I want you to understand this topic right now. So here these types are based on few categories. The first category is whether or not they are trained with human supervision. So depending upon the human supervision, depending upon this human supervision, they have been classified as supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, and also reinforcement learning. Okay, so these are all the learning systems here: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and also reinforcement learning. So these are all the machine learning algorithms depending upon the human supervision. Okay, whether algorithms are trained with supervision or without supervision, depending upon the type of human supervision, these have been classified as below. Okay, and the second one is learn step by step on the fly. In the sense, I'm saying these are the algorithms that can learn step by step on the fly. So here, these have been categorized based on their step by step learning. These have been categorized as online and also batch learning. So these are our ML algorithms which have been classified as online learning and batch learning. And we also have third one, that is comparing new data points, comparing with the new data points. Comparing with comparing new data points with uh, known data points, already known data points. Okay, so based on this, these have been classified as, see, the classification here is we will compare new data points with known data points, or not, or actually it's comma. Instead, we also detect the patterns, detect patterns in the training data, and also build a model, and we build a predictive model. As same as most of the scientists usually do. That is, here we have instance based learning, model based learning. So these are the two types that have been that have been classified under this particular category, that is comparing new data points with known data points. Okay. See, usually these are the classifications here, but here the scope is not limited. You can combine them in whatever way you want. In whatever way you want. For example, I'll give you an example, real-time example. That is, we know that this spam filter, we have been using this spam filter regularly in all our videos till now. So this spam filter may also learn on fly. That is, this spam filter may also learn step by step using a deep neural network. So it can also learn on fly using a deep neural network, which is trained using the examples of trained on examples of spam and ham. Okay. And also this makes it online and model based supervised learning systems too. With this, spam filter may comes under online model based and also supervised learning systems. So this is the scenario here in this video. So we have classified the algorithms depending upon the whether or not human supervision. I mean, if there is any supervision, then it comes under supervised. If there is no supervision, it comes under unsupervised. Likewise, semi-supervised reinforcement learning also is present. And here we also have, depending upon the learning, that is step by step on the fly, our algorithms have been classified as online and batch learning. And this one, comparing the new data points with the older one, algorithms have been classified as instance based and model based learning. It can also detect patterns in training data and also build a predictive model. Depending upon that, these two models have been categorized. And also we can combine all these algorithms in whatever way we want. Example, I have given you spam filter can also be combined using deep neural network models, which has been trained on the examples of spam or ham. So in this scenario, it may comes under online model based or supervised learning systems too. Okay. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you like the content. If you just like it, just share it with your friends. Take care. Jai Hind.